Alright, good morning, people. Boy, yes. Alright, today is Saturday and today is house chores day. So, first thing, have my broom. I'll start outside first, then we'll make our way inside. So, stay tuned and watch what I go on. Alright, people, as you can just see in the time lapse, I just done sweep the yard and sweep up the veranda. So start tackling at the house, and when I ask you in the time lapse,
Supreme Boss, you don't know.
So most of you don't know I come from over book and vlog, and you might know him already. You don't know him yet? Him name Supreme Boss. Now I see him in between each vlogs until me and book and link up, and then say the whole away. But I'm gonna lock my gate because it's not locked. You don't know, today as I said, cleaning day. Book might link me to them when I show him the pan, I'm still asleep.
Flaggers link up.
But
Flaggers link up. Flaggers link up. We are gonna do Flaggers link up.
Dang. Rough. So I guess I know. Now the house man got tackle now with the cleaning, so link on the back. Alright, people, living room finally done.
Finally.
Thanks to Supreme Boss, we done faster than expected. See there?
Yeah.
And now, on to the next stage, wiping out the house.
Wiping out the house.
God.
See
We
what
do the
that-
kitchen from earlier. I never get to vlog that. I'm cleaning my room already. But
We are clean. We love to clean.
so now it's time. Take it to the wiping. So link on the back. People, still a clean. But first, make a stop into the lunch break. Remember lunch? I might gone too far for the breakfast, which is cup soup. Alright, so right now while this is export, I just finish tidying. Hopefully I can done so I can get some rest and watch some more ghosts. Shadow hunters. Yeah, shadow hunters. Might sure that. People, yeah, finished clean, water fresh, everything. So now it's just kicking back and watching Shadow Hunters. As I tell you, that are the plan for the rest of the day. Well, not really the rest of the day, but around roughly around 1. It's now 11:25, so roughly around 2 o'clock. So I start back editing. So let's kick back, watch 2, 3, 4 episodes of Shadow Hunters, relax a little. Back in the editing. The sooner then, sooner later. Alright. Morning, people. Today is Sunday. Today I had the video shoot there, but first I had to do some workout because I try to lose as much fat as possible. Yeah, I'm back on my yard and this is the mat for my start exercise at the morning time. Sometimes at the evenings, depends on how the work go. But the reason I'm never showing the exercise routine because I batch it then and I leave it a charge. So I'm just done. Yeah, people, I'm just done. So head back in now, grab some breakfast. I run after 7 now in the morning. So I grab some breakfast and then call Leanna and find out what Leanna deal with, and then I guess about my head to the video. Yeah, here at the helicopter just now. Yeah, some fire go on some over there, so you see me? And from there, I say helicopter. I'm real this man say helicopter pass through. Yes. But I'm a key there. Not really sure what I'm going, but it's been a fun exercise. It's rough, but it has been fun. I cannot complain. Now it's just time for the whole of fresh. Fresh and call Leanna, find out what Leanna deal with and just head out. You see what I say? So just follow me now and do this. Done get ready and things, so what I'm gonna do, I wait upon Supreme Boss to come link me because me and my dep on the shoot. Leon I gonna meet me upon the shoot and Bookam I gonna meet upon the shoot. But me and Supreme Boss I head over, so when him forward, link up and make gonna see what I go on and just follow up on the journey and just make this thing work. You see me? Alright people, Supreme Boss just reaching, see me?
Yeah.
Right now I gonna head out. Just gonna see if you go shoot a video with Essence. Just look out for it. Get on me, people. Prince out now. Mother road. See me. The rain fall and bless up the place. Don't know, no sun. No, me love, no sun. So just there you go and chat it. Go up at the bus stop and jump on a taxi. Go see if you know and start the video. Yeah.
Become fast.
Yeah, Bookam say my father around 2 o'clock, so and after 1, so by the time we reach and set up Bookam just a reach. They don't know the thing go. So the link you know and reach, show you the whole setup, you get me?
Journey with us.
People, reaching a sea view. Never shown earlier because the rain fast, so we have to run from out of the water, but Leon there. Supreme boss round there, sir. Essence over there, sir. So there I go do some location counts, sir. General round there, sir. If you want.
Blessing.
So I just see what go on for the location. And then so we can make out tight, you see me? So forward. Alright people, stuck at 3 mile. Stuck there. Yeah, we stuck at 3 mile in a rain. See the umbrella? This one, I hold the umbrella.
That broke up.
I left my umbrella in my hand, so I have to take one Leon one, but not a good look.
Tell your brother.
A bag with all of my equipment and rain. And can't get a taxi or a coaster for home.
One say them not wet. You know one know them not wet. You hear me?
Today, our Sunday. No bus. I'll show you how the road look like. So the road look there. Clear rain. No taxi. Alright people, just get a bus ahead to the yard now. Don't know how we're going to manage or reach after the bus. In the rain. But guess what? I have to run.
Make sure you
Guess what?
run.
I guess so. But I can run because we need to reach home. Well, I need to go watch the hunters and I need to get the equipment out of my bag. Rain and
You want to
tear.
slap that likes, thumb that subscribe button, want to box that share, you see me?
Yeah.
Blast.
Everything him said, I kind of frosty, so anything him says, see me? Alright people, good day. Last night we did actually reach home early, but guess what now? We reach home with tired, so I'm never get for vlog going reach, but as you can see behind me, hold on, let me set this up properly. The rain a fall hard, hold on. Rain all day, Jano. So I'm just there, you see me? I'm just there. I'll go on something there. I'm in the kitchen today. Something that fall me on me, yeah?
I'm getting so cold here.
Supreme boss just a fall. Right now, I'm in the kitchen, me I go. Princess Chef today, you see me? So, this stuff. Yeah, so Princess Chef today. So, yeah, I know, now my house dark. So, this is what I say. There's some curry in the idea. People, we done shell along the food. Supreme, tell them how the food shot.
Mother!
Oh, so just there I go and watch some TV. So I done the rest of the day. So soon now tomorrow you get me. So I just said the vlog done, so link up.